Hello boss, I'm Lily. Today I will guide you to visit our production workshop. The first step is testing the PVC balls, followed by its soldering. The first step is crucial as we need to ensure the proper functionality. The next step is assemble the microphones. As you can see, there are many workers to assemble the microphones, so it's not an easy thing to produce microphones. The next is the testing process. We have two types of tests. One is the sound output test and the function test. The other is the sampling test. This is our most crucial phase. Once passed, the products move on to the packing phase. The final step is packing. Once completed, the microphones can be shipped to your country. We can assure that every step has undergone strict quality control, so we can purchase with confidence. This is all the producing process. If you have any other question, please let me know. Bye bye.